Stop. I'm about to make pizza with American cheese, and half the internet is gonna call the police because apparently there's some law that pizza must contain a mozzarella or the Italian Food Council shows up and revokes your kitchen privileges. Lucky for you, I don't give a crap about rules. Have you seen my Get Ready With Me, I Peed My Pants edition? Yeah, I don't follow rules anymore. Anyways, today we're asking a real question. If the power goes out, if the grocery store shelves are empty, can you still make a really good pizza with cheap pantry American cheese? Because freeze-dried mozzarella is awesome, but it's also crazy expensive. And American cheese, it's cheap and it melts like a dream, and it lasts in your pantry. Check out my other video on that, where I'm taste testing 16-month-old American cheese that's been sitting on my pantry. It's an ongoing experiment, so keep up to date with that. So today we're doing the pizza showdown, freeze-dried mozzarella versus American cheese. And we're finding out if this cheap stuff actually works or if it's a terrible decision. By the way, if you're new here, I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org, your friendly neighborhood refrigerator illuminator. I make quick pantry meals that work for everyday life, but also if the power goes out, the grocery store's lines wrap around the building, or the zombie apocalypse, because dinner shouldn't feel like a second full-time job. All right, so here's the test. 2 pizzas, same crust, same sauce, same oven. The only difference is this pizza got freeze-dried mozzarella and this pizza is getting American cheese. Now, mozzarella is the classic pizza cheese. It melts, it stretches, it gives you that dramatic pizza pull that makes everyone happy. The freeze-dried cooks a little differently, but believe me, it is still delicious, even though it looks a little off. But the freeze-dried cost a small fortune. Meanwhile, American cheese slices are basically the budget champion of the dairy aisle. Cheap, melty, and weirdly shelf-stable compared to normal cheese that will start molding instantly. So the real question is, does it make good pizza? Or just weird lunchroom pizza energy? Let's find out. First up, our freeze-dried mozzarella pizza. Sauce goes on, freeze-dried mozzarella sprinkled across the top, pepperoni, into the oven it goes. Now for the American cheese pizza. Same process. Tomato sauce goes on. Now we're gonna break up the American cheese, sprinkle it all across the pizza, top it with a little bit of pepperoni, and into the oven it goes. Honestly, the American cheese is melting quite beautifully. That stuff does not mess around. It is destined to melt like a dream. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna go with the mozzarella pizza first. It's a beautiful melt, although the freeze-dried mozzarella melts a little differently, turns a little brown, but it's still delicious. Classic mozzarella first. Classic, delicious, standard mozzarella vibes. Go-to, delicious. Now for the American cheese. First take is actually quite beautiful. It's not bad at all. And if you notice the green specks, I got the pepper jack American because I like a little pizzazz to my cheese. It's not mold, it's the pepper jack. So let's give it a go. Okay. That's actually really delicious. It's creamy, it's rich, and melted beautifully. It tastes extra cheesy like the delicious pizza from elementary school, but in a good way. So, is American cheese the same as mozzarella? No. But if freeze-dried mozzarella is super expensive and you're building a pantry that can handle emergencies, American cheese pizza is absolutely delicious. It's cheap, it melts perfectly, and it tastes like delicious pizza, which means you can still have pizza during the apocalypse. Honestly, this is an absolute win. I was a little skeptical at first. I was certain this was not gonna work, but this is actually quite delicious. So if you like easy meals that work in real life and in emergencies, hit subscribe. I'm here to help. Because on this channel, we're turning boring food storage into actual meals your family will want to eat today or in the apocalypse. No weird buckets of mystery food. No bland survival food. Just smart pantry meals save time, money, and kitchen stress. If you want more fridge-free recipes, meal plans, and a pantry calculator that builds your grocery list for you, head over to loadedpotato.org because dinner should be easy, even when the power goes out. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.